Yeah, it's your boy J Philly. This one is dedicated to everyone out there that has a broken heart right now, you know what I mean? Like, it's better to let go of what's hurting you and accept the fact that there's someone out there waiting to put a smile on that face, you know what I mean?
I'm so over you. No need for goodbyes. So over the tears you left in my eyes. I'm so over you. No need for goodbyes. So over your ways of pain in your lies.
J Philly, sunga e wai ka ori po ma ela fola fo ma ya ika. Fainga wa usunga I pei o fainga o fika. Vidi mai ai fa misa, como fai ai fa pisa eu o foi lo kwai vidi aku ai va veo so ya lo wika. E wi ile usunga kere ko fie manga ku. Ole a ole a manga I al pola e moku I ku. Langa wai fa lo I kala pe a mai lo ku. Sunga kamba de moku ere ko fo I fa lua. Fa ngaloloa wa fa fo longi mangaku. Afaila wai musu uo mo foi o sififa yaku. Awai kwe vidi mai kwe text mai kwe fo yaku. E ui e whainga ka asa ui e ngā e alu.
No need for goodbyes. So over the tears you left in my eyes. I'm so over you. No need for goodbyes. So over your ways of pain in your lies.
J Philly, you gave me nothing but I give you my all. Left me alone and now I'm feeling so small. Wanted you most but you just left me to fall. Broke me to pieces, now I'm trying to crawl. I was stupid to think that you would never do this. I was clueless. You had me out here looking foolish like you Cupid. Don't you ever do it, you shoot it, but you miss and you blew it. I'm hurt so badly and I'm trying to get through it. The love I have for you was endless, girl, and you knew it. Mentally unstable and mostly unavailable, I can deal with this right now. It's time for me to let you go.